Okie dokie.
Yay.
Let's pick them out. All right. Which one?
Today's Black Friday, so the day after Thanksgiving. So, my Black Friday cube is 2.
Okay. Here we go. 3 left. Today, tomorrow, Sunday.
This better be a tri-klops.
I hope so. All right. We have 3 to go. Which one is this going to be? Cringer! Well, at least all of our evil-lyns have pets. Yep. There we go. Let's go back to the backpack and look at a little zoo that we're making of cringers. Look at all of them.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
And how many evil-lyns? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Here we go. All right, 2 chances left. All right.
One of those better be a cringer and
a battle cat, right? Regular battle cat and a tri-klops. All right, 2 to go. I guess we'll see soon, right?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay.
Who's it gonna be?
I guess we'll find out. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.